Zendaya wore a Spider-Man-ready style on Monday at the LA premiere of the film, dazzling in a taupe-colored gown covered in spiderweb detail. Caught in her web, Zendaya, 25, looked utterly chic at the recent Spider-Man No Way Home premiere on December 13, wearing an on-theme taupe-colored gown covered in a black spiderweb design. The stunning gown featured a plunging neckline, high-thigh slit and spaghetti straps, showing off the Euphoria star's svelte figure. She accessorized the outfit with pointed toe black pumps and beautiful sparkling Bulgari drop earrings and 2 rings, pairing the look with cornrow braids and glowing, smoky makeup. Zendaya took photos on the carpet with her beau and Spider-Man lead Tom Holland, who stood proudly by his girlfriend for the event. The actor looked handsome in his own right, sporting a chic black suit over a white button-down and black tie, pairing the outfit with Chelsea-style back boots. Related gallery. Women in Film Honors Gala, see photos of Zendaya and more at the event. These two have been making the rounds to do press for the upcoming Spider-Man movie, which premieres on December 17. The press tour comes after months of buzz about the pair's relationship status. Following years of rumors about their alleged romance, the pair seemingly confirmed their relationship when they were photographed kissing in July. After that situation, they continued to try and keep things low-key, but finally opened up about their love for each other for the first time during a November 2021 interview with GQ magazine. In the interview, Tom said that he and Zendaya love each other very much, but maintained that they will continue to keep their romance as private as possible. "I've always been really adamant to keep my private life private because I share so much of my life with the world anyway," he explained. "We sort of felt robbed of our privacy. I don't think it's about not being ready, it's just that we didn't want to talk about it publicly." Of the July kissing photos, Zendaya added, "It was quite strange and weird and confusing and invasive. The equal sentiment is that when you really love and care about somebody, some moments or things, you wish were your own.